When talking about pressure measurement, there are different scales as well as different units of measurement. We will be looking at both. One scale is the absolute zero, which is a near perfect vacuum. The System International unit for absolute zero pressure is 0 pascal. Remember, 1 pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter squared. Remember that pressure equals the force divided by the area over which the force is applied. So the force would be in newtons and the area would be meters squared. The imperial measurement for absolute zero pressure would be 0 psi with the subscript A for absolute. The atmospheric pressure scale would have the units of measurement being 101 kilopascals absolute, and the imperial would be 14.7 pounds per square inch absolute. If you took a 1 inch by 1 inch square tube from sea level to the top of our atmosphere, it would weigh approximately 14.7 pounds. Local atmospheric pressure may be different than atmospheric pressure depending on the location and where you live. If you lived in an area with a higher elevation, the local atmospheric pressure would be less than 14.7 psi. Gauge pressure uses atmospheric pressure as a reference. You can have positive gauge pressure and negative gauge pressure. Vacuum is a better way to describe negative gauge pressure. Vacuum is the pressure below atmospheric pressure. If our gauge pressure was reading 220 kilopascals or 32 psi gauge, if we wanted to read the absolute, we would take the 220 kilopascals gauge pressure plus the 101 kilopascals would give us 321 kilopascals absolute. In imperial, the absolute would be 32 psi plus 14.7, giving a 46.7 psi absolute.